I'm sure I'm missing some small ones down here. And this one here. I hope I didn't. And there was one down here. Oh, there it is. Oh, this thing is heavy, guys. This thing is heavy. I don't know what this is, but let's turn this thing around. There you go. I don't know. There's one in the back here. There's one in the back. Yeah, I bought this from the Dell outlet. It's actually, there's a Dell outlet sticker on it. It was still a lot of money. Yes, if I want to open the top, I guess I got to turn that screw, I guess. Yeah, we'll figure it out later. There you go, there's the pretty nice computer. I don't know if there's plastic on the bottom too. Yeah, there's still something here. Oh well, we'll figure it out. All right, so I figured out there's a screw here that you gotta take out, and that'll open the door case. Turn the dot, and then there you go. So you can see the inside of this bad boy. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me make sure my camera is getting everything here. Let me get my pointer. There's a nice computer here. There's the power supply. There's the 5090 graphics card. They got the wiring going down there. Probably the hard drive. This is a Gen 5 hard drive. So the Gen 5 is up here. And that's the Gen 4, I believe. And that's the 64 gigs of RAM, furry beast. Yeah, and I got this thing with the high specs. That is a Gen 5, and that for sure. There's your fans, and There's an air filter here. But yeah, pretty nice inside here. I don't know if you guys can see all that. Yeah, looks like there's a thing to hold the CPU in. Of course, it has 3 fans on the bottom. Yeah, so there's I hooked up everything. Yeah, should fire this bad boy up. It come to life. There it is. There it is, coming to life there. It's doing some updates. It's a nice computer. I like the. I think I like the design of it. Of course, I have a local account. I didn't want to make a Microsoft account. It's asking me for. I'll have to do a video with a game on here. See how fast it goes with the game. But yeah, it's I have to get a game on here. It's a little program here that scans for hard drive. Scans with updated drivers. Of course, the little Dell speakers are. I don't know if it'll let me update. I might have to pay. Yeah, they want me to pay. All right, well, don't worry about that. That's funny. Alrighty. I shut this bad boy down. Here you go, guys. It's quite a heavy computer. There's a Dell outlet sticker. Yeah, I did get this from the outlet. I don't know how much I actually paid for it, but I did get it from the outlet. So, some nice glass here. I don't know. Yes, lock it up, and I'll leave the screw out just in case I might need to open it up again. There's the top, there's your USBs. Yep. It's a very expensive computer. I don't recommend buying one now because they've gone up in price because everything has gone up. But if you check Dell's website, you can probably get this in the outlet cheap. I mean, they are big, case heavy. They're nice computers. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow my channel for a whole bunch of more Alienware stuff. I have a lot. All right. So let me Sign out here. Talk to y'all later.